Yeah, good morning, Nikunj.
Sir, I must say that for Saturday morning, आज आप सूट टाई वगैरह पहन कर आए हो
And pocket square.
and pocket square. Am I missing on something?
So Nikunj, good morning from Surat. I came here. I had a show. I have a show at 9:30. There are about 1,000 people coming before the budget, and Jai Shri Ram. And we are saying that start making your stock portfolios. Use this correction to buy. So I'm dressed all dandidly because I want to attract more and more clients and get money for my company and get the realm of equity investing bigger.
So which are the stock ideas you will give them today?
Well, to start with Paytm, which I've been telling you from 600, 620, and it's 780. And Aisha was asking me why Paytm, and look where it is. So Aisha, bad news in fintechs is a time to buy. I think Paytm's EBITDA has come very, very strong, and that should be a very, very good bellwether. On the other hand, I think banks have gone through whatever they had to. S&P at new highs means Bank Nifty short covering will be on today. So we are saying buy some of the large banks, ICICI, Axis, and not to forget IT, Wipro, HCL Tech, plus the PSUs, ONGC and GAIL outperformers. And last but not least, my favorite, SW Solar and the new pick, Dhanlakshmi Bank. A few of the stocks which we are covering and which we think can be outperformers.
Paytm numbers, I didn't get a chance to look at them. I mean, loss has come down, so obviously that's good news. But there is still a loss.
Yeah, so Nikunj, that will take time. You are seeing that the volume change and the shift of business from the buy now, pay later has been also modified because of RBI. But they've done a very fast realization. And on top of that, look at the transactions, look at the growth. So I think they are back in the high ticket teens, which will now add on in the next 2 quarters. I think they will break even by next at least 2 quarters. Before that, maybe they will break even and come in the profit.
Sanjiv, morning. Let's get in your take then on real estate. A number of downgrades or brokerages that are maintaining sells across the board, saying that we will see reputed developers grow at 15 to 20%, but the stocks have already priced in this kind of growth. Would you agree?
Yes, good morning. Yes, Avan, I am of the view. We have booked some quite a bit of profit in DLF and Godrej, two of our big holdings. We are not increasing. We will wait for numbers. We will wait for, and we must. You must realize some of the new pricings are quite outlandish. There is a demand and there is a dual effect of gold and stocks rising, which creates wealth effect. But I think prices now or the new launches are fairly at very very high levels, and they may not sustain. So we will have to see the underlying asset. Plus, if commodities are going to move up, then input costs will go on and it may not be easier to pass on the effect. So stay put. If you have profits, then I would suggest book out of DLF and Godrej and get into some of the banks. I think banks are now going to give you better earnings, better visibility, and there is more opportunity there after the recent price correction.
On to that thought, since you said banks versus real estate, lots to talk about. But let me
old serial saas bhi kabhi bahu thi. I mean, pay the man and get rid of the problem which is there. Give him an extra amount and let them see the back of Puneet Goenka and get on with the business. You are in for such a big merger which will create the biggest MNC media company. I personally think, pay the man a little bit more and get rid of him, and that would be it. But who knows what is going on? It's every day a new flip and flop. So we are back to seeing the TV serial Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
which also created mega stars like Smriti Irani. Let's see who comes out a winner out of the Zee Sony saga.
That was not on Z.
Yeah, it was not on Z.
Yeah,
it
I'm
was on
saying
Colors. Yeah.
Star, no?
Eventually Colors,
Okay.
I think.
Yeah, but not on Z.
Not on Z.
Z had a different show which I perhaps don't want to mention right now. That's what
You
happened.
are a show?
That's happening with shareholders right now, if you frankly ask me in terms of market understanding.
Okay. Just taking stock, I want to see what Reliance has actually settled in at. And Sanjiv, while the numbers were okay, in line with estimates, nothing really to prop up the stock higher from here. Although the stock has been late to the party in the markets and has given returns only in the last 1 month. Now what next for Reliance? It's already at 2,700 plus.
So correct, Aisha. I think the last proponent of the bull market was Reliance because of the weight, and you've seen that the underperformance of HDFC Bank has been neutralized. Now, obviously, today results, I think results were very good. OTC was weak, but look at the gas, look at the ARPUs at 180. I mean, Bharti is talking of 200 now, so you can imagine where the jump is. Plus their retail and new age business. So today, as usual, on the day of the results, it doesn't do much, even good results or bad results. But I think it is still going to touch 3,000 X of Geo. I had given that 2,200 come Geo 3,000, which it has at EG. Now I think X of Geo we will see 3,000 over a period of time as markets digest the volatility and look for the guidance going ahead. But Reliance is a must-have in your portfolio on any decline.
All right.